Halloween upon us. Let's start celebrating with some pumpkin rice. So, what we need is very simple. Rice, of course. And pumpkin, shrimp, pork rib, and some dry mushroom. But you need to soak in water to make it softer. Okay, let's start. First, we use hot water to get rid of the blood in the pork rib. Now, get rid of the shrimp sheet. Cut shrimp in small pieces. Use scissors to cut the mushroom in small pieces. Get rid of the water in the mushroom. Now let's cut the pumpkin. This is really hard, but I'm very strong. Let's start cooking. Heat up the oil. Fry the mushroom first until you can smell it. Then add the shrimps. Add the pork rib. Add the pumpkin. Okay, then get them out. Add a little bit oil. Now we fry the rice. Add some soy sauce. Now we put this back to the fork. Mix it with the rice. Add salt. Mushroom bouillon. Alright, turn off the fire. It's almost done. Add water to the rice. Just cover it, then you are good. Then we put it in the rice cooker. Yeah, okay. And then it may take 20 minutes to cook. And then ta-da! Try it, please. My pumpkin rice. You will love it. Everybody loves it.